Today I'm going to show you around the Tiguan and why it's one of my favourite Volkswagens. Starting with the alloys, you get the 20-inch black York alloys. One of my favourite features is the black styling pack on this car, which gets you your black decorative trim, your black door mirrors and your black roof rails, and also the 95% tinted glass. Another great feature about the Tiguan is the boot space. I really like it because it's great for me, for the pram, the shopping and all my stuff. I love this little lever just here that you pull and the seats fold down. This particular one also comes with a spare wheel. In the back, Volkswagen have added some subtle details. You can see a little tiger and a little iguana. But what do you get if you cross a tiger with an iguana? A Tiguana! With the Tiguan, you also get wireless phone charging. There's 2 compartments that are easy to slide your phone in and out and charge your phone wirelessly. Great for when you're on the go. Another great feature has got to be the rear view camera. When you put the car into reverse, you get a full colour display and you can also change it to a wide angle. So if you're anything like me, parking isn't my strong point, this makes it super easy. Another one of my favourite features is that it doesn't just come with 1 cup holder, it comes with 6. 2 in the back and 4 in the front. Another cool feature is the ambient lighting. You can change the colour depending on what mood you're in. You can do this by voice control as well. Those are just a few of my favourite features on this Tiguan R-Line. Why don't you come down and visit us here at Corkills in Wigan and find out more for yourself?